Hey, what's up everybody, my name is World64, welcome back to Let's Play Bioshock 2. Now, the last part, we just got this boomstick. It's a double gauge, not my favorite, but...
This is it. So, I built this railroad from nothing, played by Mr. Ryan's rules. But then he asks me to sink my own cash reserves into the banks to give Rapture some breathing room. And now Austin goddamn Bathysphere wants to buy me out. Decommission the entire rail. I have no family and no time for friends. I am the Atlantic Express. And this is the end of the line.
Golly. Oh, jeez! Woo! Boomstick. Like I said, you can never. Oh! Oh. Just wait for it to... Woo! That was a close one. Okay. I'm curious. I get curious a little too much. I need to stay focused, vigilant. Anyways. Oh, hello. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Okay. Oh, hello.
Give it away.
Okay, that's good. Canned beans, fine gin, and vitamins. Okay. Oh, cool. Where was that big guy that I killed earlier? Peppervid's awesome. Okay. Wait, am I supposed to go down there? Okay, I'm supposed to go down there. I just want to see if there's anything else on this roof. Okay, that's drill fuel. Okay, here we go. Research camera. Yes! You got the research camera. Press while... Okay.
That thing's a miracle in Technicolor, kid. Works like a movie camera. Start the film rolling before you open fire on a splicer, and then anything you hit him with tells you more about his DNA. Let's give it a dry run, shall we?
Yes, let's. Okay, got the camera. One of the most important things in this game. Okay.
Easy now. Looks like you got the jump on this fella. Start your camera recording him, then hit him with a little bit of everything. Plasmids, firearms, whatever you can dish out.
Thuggish Splicer bonus. Increased damage. Thuggish Splicer is vulnerable to anti-personnel rounds.
That's it, son. Camera spits out a prize once in a while as you learn what makes a splicer tick. Now, find one of those big old brutes and take him out on film. Before long, you'll be able to brush aside that mess at the hotel.
Gotcha. And I can use my new shotgun against him. Okay. And then... Nice! Alright! Got some more things to do. Alright, let's go see what the big guy's all about. But wait, do I have... No, I don't. Oh, cool! That's a cool upgrade to the camera. There's no limited film. Okay. Like and scotch.
Using that camera's a bit like telling a joke. Each time you tell it the same way, it gets a little more stale, so you gotta change it up to keep it fresh.
Gotcha. Now I know for sure the tonic's on. Hang on, my fellow Big Daddy. Whoa, 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 whoa! Easy, 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 easy. I'm not your enemy. Okay. I didn't want to be your enemy, but... Oh, oh, jeez. Okay, come on, buddy. Okay. Oh, jeez. Oh. Big Daddy research. Increased damage. Big Daddies are vulnerable to armor pieces. Oh, gosh! Okay. Whoa. Okay. We got 2 more bullets. Oh, gosh! Okay. Okay. Don't have a lot left in me. Oh, jeez! Oh, jeez, oh, jeez, jeez, oh, jeez. Retreat, retreat. Oh, gosh, I did not retreat fast enough. It's insane. I didn't want to... Oh, hello. Hey, buddy. I'm back again! It's good to be back. Now, anyways. I could have sworn I saw a first aid station or something like that. Oh well. Like, dang, I can't believe this. They're gonna be attacking me as well as when they're fighting other guys. These guys need to control their anger. Pick up this Hypno V, and then definitely gonna need some more first aid kit. Wow, I actually have a lot of money. Definitely need more money for my boomstick. I mean, more shells for my boomstick. Okay. Now, let's get a move on. Remember, exploration later. Exploration later. Oh Jesus! 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 I didn't want that to happen! Oh gosh! Did that work? Nope! Oh jeez! Oh jeez. Not again, not again, and then again. I just bought so many health kits, man. But they're right about this game. They said the combat was harder, and the combat is a little bit harder. Enemies are tougher too. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Where are the enemies? Okay, little buddies. Let's see if we can get this one.
Three little angels, all gone now. I wonder if...
Oh gosh! What the fudge was that? The fudge was that? Hey, hang on. I want to see if there's any more ammo for the flippin' hack thing. No. Okay, hang on. Let me check in here. I want to see if there's any more hack stuff in here. Maybe. I don't think so.
bandage.
Remember, son, without using that research camera, we can't get to Gracie. And that means we're stuck here. Get one of those big apes on film, then work him over.
Excuse me, friend? Oh gosh. Hey, hey, hey!
I've been toast.
Oh, there's probably some food or something.
And for the family.
Yeah, sorry, buddy. There's probably gonna be.
If you were someone else, Mr. B,
Wait, there's a. What happened to the other Big Daddy upstairs?
you're all glowing, Mr. B. Mr. Bubbles, come on!
Okay. I'm holding back a bit because, I mean, I'm not going that straightforward because I'm looking for more, Hello. That looks like I have a couple of place. Oh, hello.
Come on, Mr. B, we'll miss the angels dancing.
Whatever that means.
See the light in the tummy? I could give you braids and ribbons.
You know, that's kind of messed up. How come when I try to get, when I command a little girl to get Adam,
Hop, hop, Mr. Bubbles. Our angels will wait.
come on, get a move on. There you go, there you go, okay. Okay, just got that. I just need a one little enough money. I have enough money for at least okay, let me see. Ammo supply thing should be around here, right? Oh, over here, over here. I guess that's it's enough. I mean, it's fair. That's right. Didn't get enough research on it. Dang. Okay, but anyways, here we go. Hack darts, and I just got enough for one. One is enough. Hey, what's up? What's up, fellow Big Daddy?
Where's my mark?
This is tough. This is a tough game. And it is not good. I should have recorded that one lady. Anyways. Okay.
I do hope in eternity there will be time.
Oh, it was an auto hack thing. Okay, you know what? That's good. That's good. Now let's see. Okay, so I need to go down here. Wait, do I need to go down there or do I need to go over here? I'll find out. We'll see right now.
Hello? My wits on my side.
Do you now? The fudge happened there? Oh, jeez!
Good night to you. I'm off to bed. Ta-ta! Drop that at once.
Woo! See, I have friends. Have friends. Oh gosh, dang it! From what? Oh, okay. So then now I need to get another. Man, hacking in this game is gonna actually be a lot more harder than what I thought. But anyway, so that's actually gonna be the end of the video right there, guys. So thank you everyone so much for watching. If you guys like the video and know what to do, hit the thumbs up button, share the video as well, guys. Make sure the video is gonna help my channel grow, and it's also gonna get my videos out there. So please share the video. Also, guys, if you guys want, if you guys want to share your thoughts on the video, go ahead and comment down in the comment section down below. Once you guys do all that, you guys like my content, you guys want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget that lovely little bell to receive all notifications. I'm Super 64. This has been Bioshock 2. Peace out and God bless you all.